Objective: to analyze the questionnaire of the validity and reliability of knowledge, attitudes, and practices concerning Mpox. Methods: this was an instrumental cross-sectional study. The sample consisted of 178 citizens from 3 sectors of Peru who responded to a virtual questionnaire regarding knowledge, attitudes, and practices concerning Mpox. The validity and reliability process of the questionnaire was carried out using Aitken V, Cronbach's alpha, McDonald's omega, and principal component analysis. Results: after expert evaluation, the questionnaire was shown to have adequate content validity for measuring knowledge, attitudes, and practices concerning Mpox, each with their respective dimensions, with Aitken's V values above 0.90. For construct validity, explanatory factor analysis was used, and the items were grouped into 4 dimensions for the level of knowledge, 3 dimensions for attitudes, and 2 for practices. With respect to the reliability analysis, the application of Cronbach's alpha statistic and McDonald's omega obtained values above 0.70. Conclusions: the results of the research enabled the attainment of a questionnaire that meets the adequate psychometric characteristics in order to be applied.